Have you ever had the struggle of navigating the Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets just like with this guy here? Fear not, as Teacher JM is here, and welcome to part 2 of Office Made Easier. Today we will be dealing with the various functions in Excel and make it easier for you. But before we proceed to the video, please click on the subscribe button for more videos like this. Now, let's move on to the first function, the arithmetic function. To perform any of the 4 basic operations, do the following. Type the equal sign before the formula, and then you add items from cells A1 and A2. Type cell A1 plus cell A2, and then hit enter. And then you'll get the answer. This is similar when you want to subtract, multiply, or divide. We also have other commonly used formulas. The first one is average. You get the overall mean or average of the numbers within a certain range. You type equals average, then you write open parenthesis, and then select all the numbers you want to average, and then close it with the closing parenthesis, and then you get the average of the given range. Next formula is the count, where its function is used to count the cells in a specified content within a certain range, just like here. The next function is the SUMIF function, where it is used to compute for the summation or sum of a given range if a certain condition is met. The next function is average if. It is used to compute for the average of a range if a certain condition or set of conditions are met. Well, has Microsoft Excel been made easier for you? Let me know if there are still some functions or common problems you encounter and how you deal with them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to others, as one easy action of sharing might make the life of someone else easier. This is Teacher JM, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!